Hey friends, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make crispy fried squid or crispy fried calamari. So let's see how to make it. Here I'm using frozen squid rings. You can use fresh or frozen. We need to defrost them, so let's put them into the water. See, these squid rings are nice soft now, so let's drain out the water from it. We need to make sure that there is no water in it. We can still use tissues to soak out the whole water. Now let's marinate the squids. Add some salt, black pepper powder, crack one egg in it, one tablespoon plain flour, and nicely mix it all together. Once all ingredients are well combined, keep it aside. Then take one dish. Take 2 tablespoons plain flour, 1 tablespoon corn flour, and 1 tablespoon potato flour. Then add some chili flakes. Mix it all. Now we're gonna coat our marinated squid rings with this flour. Dust all the excess flour. And then follow the same procedure for all other squid rings. All squid rings are coated now. I'm going to keep it in the fridge for 30 minutes. Even you can freeze it and use it later. The coating is nicely set on the squid rings, so let's fry them now. We are gonna fry them only for a minute, not more than that. Otherwise they're gonna be very hard and chewy. Let's turn it now. Our squid rings are fried well now. Let's take them out from the oil. Fry all the remaining squid rings in the same way. Don't keep it in the oil for more than a minute. We are just frying for a minute.
Crispy fried squid rings are ready here. I can't wait to taste it. Yummy. Enjoy the squid rings with sweet chili sauce and comment us how did it taste. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Bye. See you next time.